sugar shots, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? You wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that bitch pull up. Cross in and fine, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lydia and I'm back again with another vlog. So today is on Wednesday. I had a client in the morning. I was doing her nails, but then I haven't taken any videos, I haven't taken any photos, and that's so unlike me. I don't know how it slipped my mind, but nafai kuwa nachukua pictures for the page, for the business page, but nimesahau. I'm having another client right now. She's on her way. After doing her nails, I'm thinking of arranging my clothes because zilioshwa, but the way they look right now, so messy. Nataka kuzipanga, and then afterwards maybe clean the house, and then go for shopping, and I'll take you guys with me. Kama nitapata time, that is. But I'm planning on going for shopping majioni, not right now. And before all that, I am so hungry. I'm super hungry. Niliamka tu na nikaanza kazi kutengeneza na nails. So right now I want to warm some leftover food from yesterday usiku, and then nikule before my second client afike. So yeah, that's basically what's up for today. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and if you're a returning subscriber, lots of love kama kawaida.
Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, you wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that bitch pull up. Cross in and fine, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Bitch is big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I'll drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I swear that bitch like a NASCAR. I like Hellcat, start off the line and make the engine part. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beats. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like loud bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that bitch pull up. Cross in and fine, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping on the truck.
Kini kufanya vlog. Hi. Ati kuna homa.
Wow, kunanukia. It smells good.
Hey, kunanukia nini? Nasikia huko kwangu kunanukia guys, usafi. Period. Mama safi.
Aha. Nimekuwa nikinyesha leo maanisha mwanzo. Hadi sitaki like not long nails.
Unataka?
Something short, something nice. Last time, hey, I thought I can handle long nails like you, way. No way.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bold myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just roll?
ni ukuta ya bafu imekaa hivyo. I don't know nini ilifanyika kaa hivyo, but that's how it was looking, but imekuja kufanywa repair, so yeah.
Used to be your rider, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent to you, ambush me. Now I'm not your violent with. Now I'm not your silent treatment. That mean no permission. Missionary getting boring. Different positions.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember the last time I was talking to you guys, nilikuwa nawaambia I was supposed to go for shopping after nitengeneze my client's nail. So that's what I did. Hiyo ni 2 days ago. Nilitengenezana nails and then I went for shopping. I was to take you guys with me. Si niliwaambia. So tell me why immediately I got to the mall, my phone started hanging. Simu ilihang and then ikaacha kutouch. You can imagine how disappointed I was. Lakini nilikuwa nasikia nimeboeka. And then kuharibu nishafika huko, at least ingehang when I was still in the house, singeenda. So ikahang, I never vlogged. Siku vlog, nilienda tu nikafanya whatever took me there and then I came back home. I haven't unpacked since then. Nilikuwa nasikia tu nimeboeka because so that's what I'm about to do right now. I want to unpack, clean the fridge and then organize things inside. So yeah, let's do it. So guys, so no, I didn't unpack. Zimekuwa hapa for a minute now. I want to unpack right now. I'm not going to do a haul today. Nitawaonyesha tu as I organize the fridge and as I clean it. So yeah. So guys, stima zimepotea. I don't know kama zimepotea kwenye, but huku zimepotea. I've called my friend, ameniambia pia kwa zimepotea, so I think sijui. So this is the perfect opportunity for me to clean the fridge juu hakuna stima. Sa kwa arrangement, I don't know kama nita arrange vitu sale stima iko juu, naweza zi arrange and then the way stima ikipoteanga fridge inatoanga maji imwagikie stuff. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let us just first clean the fridge and then tutajua what next. Tutajua kama stima itarudi by the time I'm done. So guys,
see what's up. He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that me pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's not dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, niggas tryna mercy. You the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took a back like baby. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. Pussy out his neck. Lil' bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that me pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Bitches big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I swear that bitch like a NASCAR. I like that okay, but I'm
Go ahead.
don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga. I'm
Love my head.
young time bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beans. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like brown bling.
Fuck up your gay people.
We be jamming on me. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad, got a stupid black. Fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, let me pull up.
Wow. Family. Tupa mistari.
Yo nikiendelea hapa. Niko na msupa kama kawa mnasikia ameiva bwana. Ndio nisifanya man. Kau tujui basi wewe ndio ujulikane.
So hi guys, I'm just from the house. I am on my way to take my duvet to the laundry, and then afterwards maybe pass by my usual spot, Nikule Pilau for lunch. So yeah, that's it. It's been a minute since ni vlog kwa barabara hivi. Na feel so weird, but yeah, it is what it is. Cool. So ndio maana sipendangi kuvlog kwa barabara. This man. Sasa
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something.
So hi guys, it's me again. I'm back like I never left. So mara ya mwisho tuliongea is when I was having pilau for lunch. Nilienda by the way, and then I met up with people, and then we had like a nice meal together and stuff. Na niko na homa right now. I have a cold. Na mi homa yangu inakuanga so bad. Inatoanga machozi. Machozi zote zinakuanga red and sound. Anyway, so before I wrap up this vlog, I want to do something with you guys. This is KFC food yenye nime order from Jumia. Niko na homa, na nikiwa na homa sinanga nguvu, sinanga psych, sinanga energy, like kila kitu nakuanga tu so off. So I have ordered meal. I have ordered KFC rice and like sticky wings, and I've never had them before. Nakulanga tu rice, nakulanga tu like the normal chips and kuku ya kawaida, like the non-spicy ones. So what's going on before guys, uzuri nimefanya this one. Someone please tell me what this is. I was so excited to do this video, but sasa hizi ni nini shwari?
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to share a picture of what you've just received.
Okay.
Before anything else. So that you can escalate the issue and get to look at the situation of the order. Is that okay?
Okay, where am I going to share the picture?
So please forward the picture to this email.
Okay.
CS dot.
Pardon?
CS.food.
CS dot food.
.ke.
Okay. cs.food.ke at jumia.com. Okay.
Yes, please share with us the picture so that you can look into it.
Okay, right away.
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Try it now.
Sawa.
Thank you.
Karibu. So they've said nitume the picture of the food, the delivery, alafu tutajua how to handle the issue. So I think hata nimeboeka. Nilikuwa nifanye review of the KFC rice, but washanibo. Tuonane kwa the next vlog. I'll let you know venye kutaenda kwa the next vlog. So yeah, thank you for watching.